An update now, a local woman is finally home after spending 2 months in the hospital because of COVID-19 complications. KSBY News reporter Alice Becerra spoke with the Melissa Mesa's family about how she's doing now that she's back home.
Luis Mesa says having over 100 family members and nurses cheer on his wife as she finally went home is an experience he'll never forget. For 62 days, Luis Mesa was unable to have physical contact with his wife, Melissa. That all changed earlier this week when she was released from the hospital after successfully overcoming severe COVID-19 complications.
It was just over the top to have her, to see her.
Mesa says the first night home for his wife was an emotional roller coaster.
We had a night, just to ourselves and going over stuff, and it was kind of a little emotional for me. She fell asleep and I just watched her. I couldn't believe I had her home finally after 62 days.
Mesa, who himself recovered from COVID-19, says the community's encouragement via social media and a GoFundMe account set up for the family has been much appreciated.
We're not sure what we're going to get for bills yet. They are starting to come in already, and we are paying them with the money that we have received from the GoFundMe already. But we don't know how or what extent it's going to really be.
Melissa remains dependent on a small amount of oxygen at home and will continue doing at-home therapy and have visits from nurses for the next few months. In a statement to KSBY, Melissa said, "I would like to thank everyone for all of the prayers and donations for me and my family. I've been through a long journey. I'm so thankful to be here with my family and friends." Marion Regional Medical Center, where Melissa spent the back end of her recovery, also said, "We are grateful to the physicians, nurses, and healthcare staff that provided outstanding medical care to preserve her health, as well as the community support that was shown to her as she battled this virus." Mesa says the one message his family has for other community members is to make sure you continue to follow CDC guidelines in order to avoid having another family go through a similar situation. Reporting for KSBY, I'm Alice Becerra.